Large motorcycles with six-cylinder engines don't seem to attract much attention. In fact, only a handful of people own them. But that is not the case for the Honda CBX 1000. The Honda CBX 1000 is one of the legendary motorcycles from Honda that was first introduced in 1978. This motorcycle is famous because the Honda CBX 1000 uses a six-cylinder inline engine with a capacity of 1,047 cubic centimeters with DOHC and 24 valves. This engine is capable of producing around 105 horsepower at 9,000, making it one of the most powerful and very popular sports bikes of its time. Because of its uniqueness, the Honda CBX 1000 is a classic motorcycle that is highly sought after by collectors. It is often regarded as a symbol of Honda's innovation in the 70s and 80s. Although its production only lasted a few years, the Honda CBX 1000's influence on the automotive world is still felt today. It is still considered one of the best classic superbikes ever made. Because of the CBX 1000's past success, designer Dimitri of Frenchmonkeys Design. He blended modern and classic elements, while keeping the aggressive feel, by narrowing down the bike to showcase the incredible power plant and to give the CBX running gear worthy of its monstrous reputation. Accordingly, he installed a set of Öhlins inverted forks, which are held in place by a custom-made yoke. They are connected to the front wheel and Brembo radial brakes from the Aprilia RSV1000R. At the rear, the CBX Custome stands out the most. Dimitri managed to apply the single-sided swing arm, shock, wheels and brakes from the Ducati 1098. It was not a plug-and-play conversion. The entire rear end of the frame was rebuilt with new shock mounts and subframe. On the bodywork, Dimitri only tidied up the fuel tank, which is fused to the OEM seat, and trimmed the underside. He then wrapped it in carbon fiber and added a Monza gas cap for a classic feel. The rear cover was also applied carbon fiber and fitted with a black leather seat from AD Celery, a collaborator of Öhlins motorcycles. Under the cover are a series of new electronic components, a lithium-ion battery, a MotoGadget M.Unit controller, and a starter relay. The whole bike has been reassembled. There is a MotoGadget keyless ignition, with the contact points mounted inside the seat. The cockpit features aftermarket clip-ons with more MotoGadget parts, including grips, switches, and turn signals, and a top-mounted digital speedo. The main cylinder is a Brembo unit, and the headlight uses a classic frame with LED internals. A pair of terrazzi rear sets completes the control. Although Dimitri built the CBX 1000 for the show, many people wanted the bike to be mass-produced to commemorate the legendary CBX 1000 that was once produced by Honda.